We are going to create a test project and new project and uh, X unit test project and a tests. And next, we are still using .NET 8 LTS. Great. Okay, now we have our test project, and we say assert that equal is 1 equal to 1, and then we go to go to view text explorer, and we have the text explorer and run our tests. Okay, we have one test passed, but definitely we are not going to use this. Let's delete it. And we are going to test the web API, so let's just go by the project dependency, the project reference to web API. Okay. And for the package, we are going to need mark. And you can see else the mark, you can just say mark the class will, so if you run some method, it returns the marked data. So let's go first install the package of mark. Okay, and install. Actually, code tests mark mark test install. Latest is photon 4.20. Okay, so let's see, we have okay, X unit 2, and we also need use auto fixture. So with auto fixture, and it can easily generate like string. It can generate random, yes, just auto generate string, and you can see if we put the generic type of int, and it can generate auto generate int, abstract types, sequence of strings, sequence of custom objects, collection, and so on. Let's go create the package of auto fixture, and we are going to install auto fixture, install auto fixture, auto mark, install. and auto fixture as you need to install. So we have the auto fixture and we can also install the fluent assertion and assertion. And install, apply. Okay, so we have the fluent assertion. All right, so go to the test. We create a new, let's set a folder, and we can say we have a fixture, yes, and then we add a new product fixture, product. For this product fixture, say this will be static, will be public static class. We no need to instantiate. We rather call it method of, let's say we have a public static and this will be a fixture from auto fixture type of rate fixture, and this method which will say we have our fixture equal to new fixture, and avoid recursion, so fixture dot behaviors dot of type, and then this will say throw recursion behavior, and for this dot to list, and this dot for each, and then we can say behavior goes to fixture dot behaviors dot remove. Alright, and fixture dot behaviors dot add new You say automate. Automate on recursion behavior. So you avoid the recursion and customize product integration. So to rate the products, so we say fixture dot customize and which type of product. Because we already have a reference to that web API project, so we can just say the products and this compose composer composer goes to composer composer base base of what product goes to product dot price and to for the product price let's say fixture dot rate and type of decimal and this will be less than 1,000, more than 1,000. So this we say price between 0 to 999. Okay. First, we say this is the price. Next is the is actually this is int, and I say quantity in one quantity we can 0 to 9 and let's see. Okay, then we return fixture. Okay, now we have our product fixture. Just basically we just said how to generate the price and inventory. So others don't need to special. And for test, first let's just test our repository. Let's create a folder for repositories and we have a new add a new class, and then this will be product repository test repository test. Or now we have the product repository test. It should be public. Product repository test. It will be IDs. And this will be say all this in the product repository. We go to the product repository, go to the class view, and you can see product repository just inherit the generic repository. So for the generic repository, we have I CRUD operation, I delete and get all and get ID and update. And let's see, if we go to the product repository, you can see event injection only have the application DB context. So let's say we have we will inject the application DB will create an in-memory database, and we'll inject it into the product. We'll inject into the product repository. So let's say private. This will not use that automatic dependency injection. We just created the dependency. So read only DB context options, which type of application, DB, and that will be option. And we have the private read only, and so it's autocomplete. It's not always application DB context of context. And private read only product repository. So we created this product repository, which is system under test, and we have fixture. Read only fixture. Fixture. And we even this say constructor. Let's say create a constructor product repository test. And this constructor, or this what we are going to do is say options, and options which equal to build this option and we specify the use. What we are going to use is in-memory database. In-memory database. So for this, in-memory database. We are going to say go to the package manager and say in-memory. Microsoft.init.in-memory, and we install this. And use in-memory database like to in-memory. Alright. So back to say use in-memory database. Huh? Dot use new DB. Oh, right. DB context builder. Options builder. Builder of new in-memory database. We specify several parameters. It's a database name h equal to GUID dot string. So random GUID as the name and dot get option over here. So now we can have our context will be context is equal to new application DB context and pass the option. Now at context, so now we can create the SUT of product repository. Product repository only need a dependency of DB context. Then we create this DB context over here. So you can see the history. Oh, this is the marked DB context, and then we have say fixture equal to product fixture. And now we can have our product fixture. Fixture over here. We have some set with product fixture. Yeah, product fixture dot create fixture. Oh yeah, that's a static class and static function. And now let's say for the dispose we can say first we say context.dispose, and with context database ensure delete. Alright, and now we can have our test facts. First in the test, we have type pages. We say public async in this case will be get all async, and this should return all products. So the happy is all get all async will return all products. So let's 3a. So arrange site and assert. Arrange will say and var data products to text products equal to, let's say we have the fixture dot create so auto fixture has create many which type of product, and we want to create many 3 and to place on the create 3 of products, and okay, so then we say await context dot products dot in-memory database will add range sync of products, and await context dot sales chain async, and active is say var result we tested over here, and result equal to await based on the test and get all async, and we assert and result. This is fluent assertion. Result should, I say, should be, and then that will be equivalent to products. And let's say our first happy scenario test for product repository is tested. Okay, so first test, pass the test. Okay, so this for our repository test, we are having our in-memory database testing, and we do product operation test. Now we just test the get all, and we'll have create, retrieve, and update and delete to that test. and we see that date persistence verification. So we verify that save changes thing works and which the result get all results return equivalent to the products. And let's get all, and we say get by ID. So let's say another test. So for the test category, we can see we have happy path scenarios. So each data should return all its happy scenario. And we will also have error scenario and edge cases. So let's see. Fact of real happy path scenario. The public a async ask that by ID async with valid. So this is a IP path scenario, and this should return product. And this we say arrange arrange act assert and we create one product, and a product it will equal to use that auto fixture create a product create type of product please auto completion. Okay, and I will in-memory database. So we say context everything. And we test the persistency. So save change the thing, and act will be we call the repositories result dot get by ID, right? That which equal to wait system on the path dot guide by ID and sync and pass the or .id .id and so this is a happy path scenario. Everything should be work. It should be happy. Let's test it. Run all tests. All good. All good. To pass. All happy. And CRUD, let's say vector form add a new product. We add a new product. Sync and the task of add async. It's actually you should know that we already should add new product, and they should be IP both sides. So let's see. Oh, product equal to this, and the act is say over here. This time we say SUT system on the test, not anything product. And assert, this assert we say first we get the ID product which is equal to context. Find the products dot we find the product by the our var products ID. So we say product dot ID. Find this added product, and we say added product dot should be equivalent the equivalent to that product we created. Product, and we run this, and it pass. And we can have delete. Delete, let's say it's almost the same. Let's just copy. It's not almost the same, but similar. Let's say this will be delete async, and this will be option of add should be through the remove, and so we still create a product, and we add it and save it, and we call the system system delete product.id or delete product. It's not, and we save. And the assertion will be deleted. Deleted product equal to find this, and this deleted product should be now, right? Equal to now. No, should be now. And we can test. Okay, perfect. So now we have some the basic unit tests for the product repository.